Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x and y that satisfy the given system of equations and hence calculate the value of root x, y. To solve this problem, we are going to start with a substitution. The substitution is to get rid of these square roots. So, let root x be equal to u over 2 and root y be equal to v over 2. Of course, you know that when we square both sides of this equation, we have that x is equal to u squared over 4. And from here, y is equal to v squared over 4. Now, we are going to rewrite these two original equations with these substitutions. Here we have x, which is u squared over 4 plus y, which is v squared over 4 multiplied by root x, which is u over 2. And this is equal to 95 over 8. And here we have y, which is v squared over 4 plus x, which is u squared over 4 multiplied by root y, which is v over 2, and this is equal to 93 over 8. Now, let us tidy up this. We have u squared over 4 plus, here we have u v squared over 4 times 2 is 8, and this is equal to 95 over 8. Here we have v squared over 4 plus v times u squared over 8, and this is equal to 93 over 8. Now, the next thing we need to do is to get rid of these fractions, and to do this, we are going to multiply through both equations by 8. So we have this equation times 8 and this equation times 8. 4 into 8 is 2. Here we have 2 times u squared plus 8 is going to take care of it, leaving us with u v squared. Once more, 8 is going to take care of it, leaving us with 95. Here, the same thing happens. We have 2, that is 2v squared plus 8 is going to take care of 8, and we have v u squared, and this is equal to 93. When you look at this first equation, you will see a common factor, which is u. So we have u into 2u plus uv squared divided by u is v squared, and this is equal to 95. When you look at the second equation, you'll see a common factor, which is v. So we have v into 2v squared divided by v is 2v plus vu squared divided by v is u squared, and this is equal to 93. Now, at this point, instead of doing algebraic manipulations to try and solve this system of equations, we are going to do numerical manipulations. Let us look at this number 95. It ends with a 5, so obviously it is divisible by 5, and we know that 5 is a prime number. Now, 95 over 5 is equal to 19. So 95 is 5 times 19. And these are both prime numbers. 93 is divisible by 3. 93 is 3 times 31. Both numbers are also prime numbers. Now let us look at 19. 19 is 10 plus 9. And 31 is 6 plus 25. So basically, in this first equation, we have that u multiplied by 2u plus v squared is equal to 5 multiplied by 10, which of course is 2 times 5, plus 9, which of course is 3 squared. And in the second equation, v multiplied by 2v plus u squared is equal to 3 multiplied by 6, which of course is 2 times 3, plus 25, which of course is 5 squared. Now, when you compare these two and these two, you will see that u is equal to 5 and v is equal to 3. So we have that u is equal to 5 and v is equal to 3. And of course, from here, we go back to our substitution. We have that root x is equal to 5 over 2 and root y is equal to 3 over 2. Now, to find the value of root xy, this is simply equal to root x multiplied by root y, and this is equal to 5 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 2. This is equal to 15 over 4. Of course, from here, we can find the values of x and y, because we know that from here, squaring both sides of this equation, x is equal to 25 over 4, and y is equal to 9 over 4. And of course, it's very easy to check the results. When we substitute these values into the original equation, we have x, which is equal to 25 over 4, plus y, which is equal to 9 over 4, multiplied by root x, which is equal to 5 over 2. Now, this is 25 over 4 plus 9 times 5 is 45 over 8. Of course, we can write this fraction as 50 over 8. This remains 45 over 8. 50 plus 45 is 95 over 8. And that is exactly what we have on the right-hand side. In the same way, when we substitute into this, we have y, which is 9 over 4, plus x, which is 25 over 4, multiplied by root y, which is 3 over 2. Here we have 9 over 4 plus 25 times 3 is 75, and 4 times 2 is 8. Once more, we can write this as 18 over 8. This remains 75 over 8. 18 plus 75 is equal to 93. And this is over 8, which is exactly what we have on the right-hand side. And with that, we come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.